Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about how to add an email link to WordPress. So first, go to your WordPress page editor, click on any word you want to attach the link to, any text or any button. For this, we'll go with email over here. So usually it won't be automatically linked like this, but you're going to want to click this little link button here, or also use Command K or Control K. In the text editor down here, mark it as anything you want. We'll do contact for now to make it easy. And then in the link attachment, type in mail to : make sure there's no spaces, and then your desired email that you would like it to go to. So I'll put johnsmith@gmail.com. Press save. So now that is saved, we'll update in the top right corner. We'll view the page since it's been updated. Here's our home page. See contact, click on that. See how it opens up to the mail app on Apple? So it'll automatically open up to that person's desired mail app. So they'll be able to contact you quickly. And that's how you add an email link to your WordPress page.